Hey there, guys. Chet here. If you want to add the power of AI like ChatGPT to your automations, the first thing you need to do is connect n8n to OpenAI. This connection lets you do incredible things like summarizing text, writing emails, or analyzing data automatically. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up that connection, but before we do anything in n8n, we need to get a special key from OpenAI. This is called an API key, and it's what allows n8n to make secure requests to OpenAI models on your behalf. To get started, go to openai.com/API. Now, once you're on the page, click the login button. It will likely give you a couple of options. Make sure that you choose to log into the API platform. Go ahead and sign into your OpenAI account. Now, once you're logged in, you need to navigate to your API key settings. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner and click on it to go to your settings. Once in the settings area, you'll see a menu on the left side. Click on the API keys option. This page will show you any API keys that you have created in the past. To make a new one for our n8n connection, we will click the button that says Create a New Secret Key. A small window will pop up asking for a few details. First, you'll need to give the key a name. It's always good to practice naming it something you'll recognize later, like n8n connection. Once you've named it, click the Create Secret Key button. OpenAI will now generate your API key and show it to you. This is very important. This is the only time you will ever be able to see the full key. Make sure that you copy it right away. Now, once you close this window, you can't get it back. Now that we have our secret API key from OpenAI, let's head over to n8n and put it to work. In my n8n account, I'm going to start a new workflow by clicking the Create Workflow button. I'll add a manual trigger to get things started. Then I'll click the plus button again to add our OpenAI node. In the search bar, I'll just type OpenAI and click on it. Let's just pick the first action to get to the settings. Click on an action that takes us to the settings panel for the node. This is where we will create the final connection. Look for the field that says Credential to Connect With. Click the drop-down menu and choose the Create New Credential option. This will open the connection window for OpenAI. The connection page is very simple. It has a single field called API key. This is where you paste the secret key that we copied from the OpenAI website a moment ago. Go ahead and paste the key in now. Now click the Save button. And that's it. Your new credential will be selected and your n8n account is now connected to the power of OpenAI's models. If you found this video useful, I go a lot deeper inside of my school community that I've built a complete n8n course there where you will learn how to go from beginner to building advanced systems plus live calls and exclusive templates that you won't find anywhere else. I've put the link down in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.